From Safdarjung Hospital to Union Health Ministry once again today. Delhi police detained several resident doctors at ITO yesterday who were marching to the Supreme Court in protest against the delay in NEET 2021 counselling. Irked by the alleged manhandling by police during the protest, resident doctors gathered in large numbers at about 8 p.m. on Monday and started a march towards Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya's residence. Incident-based FIR has been filed against protesting doctors in damaged public property and epidemic act at IP Estate Police Station. The protest was held by the Federation of Resident Doctors Association. FORDA has asked the Resident Doctors Association to shut down the medical services after yesterday's confrontation with the Delhi police. Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi on Monday slammed the Modi government for police action against resident doctors in the national capital. Amit Bhardwaj is now joining us live from Safdarjung Hospital. Amit, what's going on and what is this about the police going out there and this allegation of them attacking doctors? If it is true, it is absolutely unacceptable.
I'll just, give you visuals as to what is happening right here at the Safdarjung Hospital. You have hundreds of doctors standing here continuously sloganeering and expressing their anger. And this is the emergency entrance of the Safdarjung Hospital. So doctors have clearly blocked this path, and this is the situation in different hospitals of Delhi right now where the OPD services have in a way collapsed. The emergency services have been left on the shoulders of the permanent doctors or the consultants, and these doctors are angry because coming back to the question, these doctors are angry and eager because yesterday when they tried to march to the Supreme Court of India, they were allegedly manhandled at ITO. Many of these doctors have survived, they have minor injuries, and later on there was a FIR has been lodged against these doctors. So that is why these people are angry, and today, even today, as they try to march towards the Union Health Ministry, heavy police deployment has been made at Safdarjung Hospital. So clearly the police is trying to stop the movement of the doctors, the resident doctors who are part of the FORDA right at the Safdarjung Hospital. We could see the police preparing up in anti-riot gears. Yesterday we had seen that there were confrontations between the police and the doctors at the ITO. Later on in the evening or in the night, these doctors had tried to reach Mansukh Mandaviya's residence, and even today they are trying to go to the Nirman Bhavan, but they are likely to be held back by the police. आप लोग कहाँ जाने की कोशिश?
अभी तो बस संगड़ाई है।
कहाँ जाने की कोशिश?
अभी हमारे जो फोर्डा के प्रेसिडेंट है वो डिसाइड करेंगे कि हम अपनी जो मार्च है मंत्री तक पहुँचाए या मंत्री के घर पे या फिर उनके ऑफिस में। अगर हमें ये लोग पीसफुली अलाउ करते हैं तो हम गवर्नमेंट का और पुलिस का सहयोग करते हुए ही आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं।
लोग निर्माण भवन जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लेकिन the police is stopping you. Police, there is heavy deployment of police. What will you do next?
We are trying. लास्ट डे भी हमने ट्राई किया था जाने का, पर उन्होंने हमें रोक दिया था। हम पीसफुली रोड पे बैठ दिए थे। जहाँ वो रोक गए वहाँ हम पीसफुली स्ट्राइक करने लगे थे, बट उन्होंने जो आके जो वॉयलेंट स्ट्राइक में इसको कन्वर्ट किया वो दिल्ली पुलिस ने किया है। और वो रोकते तो हम तो कोशिश कर सकते हैं जाने की, वो रोकते हैं तो लास्ट एंड मोमेंट पे रुकना पड़ेगा। वॉयलेंस वो कर रहे हैं तो ये तो वो कर नहीं सकते हैं। हमने ऐसा कुछ
दोबारा कन्फ्रंटेशन का सिचुएशन है, दोबारा से झड़प हो सकती है, ऐसी स्थिति बन रही है।
हाँ, हो सकती है, क्योंकि अब तो कल जो उन्होंने बिहेव किया वो तो हमारा प्राइड, सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट सबके खिलाफ है। बेसिक जनता जो होती है, नॉर्मल जनता, उसके भी अपने राइट्स हैं। हमारे राइट्स कहाँ हैं? हम हमारा राइट मांग रहे थे, नीट पीजी काउंसलिंग जो नॉर्मल है, कोई सैलरी में बढ़ाना, कोई अलग से राइट ऐड करने को नहीं बोल रहे। उसके बाद उनका ये वायलेंट बिहेवियर।
So clearly, continuously the doctors are showing their anger, they are eager, and they are continuously sloganeering. On the other side, if you come on this particular side, I will just try to show you the visuals on the ground. On one side, you have doctors protesting. On the other side, you have police all geared up here. Trying, and there are two layers of the police barricading here. This is the first layer, the second layer is right there. And in all possibilities, these doctors, these resident doctors who are moving from Safdarjung Hospital, they are trying to go to the Nirman Bhavan. They will be stopped by the police. Over to you.
That's right, but why would they be stopped by the police if they are protesting silently? It is their right to protest. If they are unhappy with something, it's their right to voice their opinions. Why is there so much of deployment when these are doctors just trying to voice their opinions? One of the doctors even told you right now that we are just fighting for our rights at the moment.
Absolutely, that is the right, the biggest question as to why these doctors are being, there are attempts to stop them. This protest is going on since 17th of December. Later on, the doctors shifted one of the morchas or the dharna sites in front of the Nirman Bhavan, which is the Union Health Ministry's office. Yesterday, when they tried to reach to the Supreme Court, that is when the confrontation between the Delhi police and the doctors began. In the night, they tried to reach the Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya's residence. Again, they were stopped at Safdarjung near the Sarojini Nagar police station. Today, in order to register their protest against the alleged brutality or the manhandling of the doctors, including the women doctors, which happened yesterday, they wanted to go to the Union Health Ministry and speak to the minister to register their protest and also demand fast tracking of the NEET PG counselling 2021. Now, the police says that they do not have permission to move forward. The police is saying that in order to maintain the law and order situation, they would try to stop the doctors here. And that is what was done yesterday. Near ITO, the traffic was closed for a couple of hours because of the protest. And after that, suddenly there was a decision to, detain the doctors who were protesting on the street. Many of them were picked up by the police and later they were, released. So, in most likelihood, a similar situation might here. However, we spoke to the FODA officials, the different RDA officials. They are saying that what we have requested the administration is that they would want that police should escort them from Safdarjung Hospital to the Union Health Ministry at Nirman Bhavan so that there's no problem in the traffic movement and they could register their protest as well.
All right, leave it at that. We'll continue tracking this development in much detail right there. It's a matter of huge concern at the moment. The doctors say that they are protesting for their rights. Questions arising on why are they being stopped from holding a protest. And there has been an allegation of manhandling by the Delhi police. This is an allegation. At the moment, we're tracking the latest developments as far as the doctors' dharna is concerned here in the national capital. We'll continue getting you updates as we go along the way. Big